If you're like me, there are times when you just want to find out information without being watched or judged or added to a list or pitched, right, by some salesperson. And that's what the Value Workshop Concierge is designed to do. It gives you a quiet and anonymous place where you can learn what the value proposition workshop really does without sharing your name, without anyone collecting any information about you, your questions, or anything else. You get to stay completely unseen, but you walk away informed. Most people think the workshop is only about crafting a strong set of value propositions. And yes, you do get that. But the real value is much deeper. The workshop helps your team feel true ownership over the promises your company makes to customers. It helps employees see their work as part of a story they're proud to deliver to customers. And when that happens, everything changes. The level of engagement, the clarity, and the way customers feel about you. If you're curious about whether that kind of shift could happen in your company, let the concierge help you explore it and come up with your own conclusion. So step in, ask any question you like, stay anonymous, and still see what the workshop could unlock for your team. And that's what the concierge is here for. By the way, you can also run your existing proposition through the concierge and it will attempt to improve it for you. So I invite you to do that as well. Thank you.